look at this square buckle. It's very beautiful and shining. This is the gold color. We also have different colors for you to choose. And for the size, we have different size for you to choose. Now I will show you two models. Okay, you can see the size is depending on the bell, just like this bell. It's depending on the bell. For the package, we normally package like those bags. First, we will use the paper to package it. Look at this. This is the bigger one. We package 30 pieces per one roll and about 7 rolls per one bag. That is about 200 pieces for one bag. And this smaller one, we package 40 pieces per one roll and about 10 rolls per one bag. That means 400 pieces per one bag. Also, we can customize the package according to your need.